In this video, I'll go over the two variations of project number 6 from chapter 8 of my book, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to the 555 Timer. This is not meant to be an instructional video, but as a reference to check that your completed circuit is working as intended. Project 6. After sliding switch number 1 to its on position, pressing switch number 2 should turn LED 1 on. Pressing switch number 3 will turn LED 1 off. Project 6A. After sliding switch number 1 to its on position, LED 2 should turn on. Pressing switch number 2 should turn LED 2 off and turn LED 1 on. Pressing switch number 3 will turn LED 1 off and LED 2 on. If this video has made you curious about the 555 timer, and if you don't already own my book, please click on the link to purchase it. Also, be sure to check out my other 555 timer videos in the playlist. Thanks for watching.